Here's how to fix a frozen iPhone. Now, on here, the first thing we're going to do is do a forced restart to try to unfreeze it. You can see a forced restart essentially presses the volume up, volume down, and presses and holds that side button. So let me just end this screen recording real quick, and I will walk you through this step. So again, find the volume up, tap it, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. You should see that it pops up with a screen that says slide to turn off. But just keep holding it until you see it go completely black there. So you can see now it is completely black and you'll see that Apple logo. Once you see that Apple logo, you can remove your finger. And just like that, you have force restarted your iPhone. So eventually it will just pop up with the iPhone starting up normally as if you just turned it off. But now you've used just the buttons to turn it off and then turn it back on. It takes a few minutes maybe to basically shut everything down and reboot everything. But eventually you should be able to see that screen on there will show that your phone is now restarted just like that. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.